Hi my friends, today I am doing a tutorial of a character, an object, an animal, a superstar by request of my friend Jackson. Say hello to the folks, Jackson.
Hello.
And what was it that you asked me to do a tutorial for?
A T-Rex.
Now, you may not know, which you don't because you don't know Jackson. Jackson is an artist in his own right. He's not even 5 years old yet, but he has done so many of my tutorials that are on YouTube, and he wanted to do this tutorial, but he put his own spin on it. Do they look the same? No, because Jackson is very creative. And that's why when you do my tutorials and you look at your finished product and you say, oh, mine doesn't look anything like hers, that's okay, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Because everybody is an artist in their own right. Now, can you explain why mine is pink?
Andy's size is pink because it's a girl.
It's a girl. It's a she-rex.
No, it's a she-tyrannosaurus.
It's a she-tyrannosaurus. Okay, are we ready to go?
Yes.
Let's get started.
Is this art or not?
Okay, so I have my pencil and I have my eraser, and these are the things I'm going to get started with. Now, we're going to do a full body T-Rex. The first thing I want to do is get an idea of how it's all going to fit onto this paper. So I'm going to do, let's see, T-Rex's whole head might be like the shape of an oval.
Yeah.
Would you agree, Jack? I'm going to start just with an oval shape.
Yes, and also start with the upper jaw and the lower jaw, and also with the teeth.
All right. Well, to get the whole body, let's say I like your idea of the lower jaw, so let's put that there. And then you can go ahead and do it at the same time if you want. Then I'm going to do the neck. That's going to come like this and down like this. And look at his body here. It looks like it's coming right out of his mouth, even though it's not really. And then his butt is up like that. His tail comes around. What do you think? It's kind of like that?
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
Also with the upper jaw.
I have the general idea of the body.
Yeah.
Do you want to do yours now? Yeah.
My general idea is this. The body could be like this.
Mm-hmm.
The tail could be like this. And this is the neck. It could be. This could be the head. This could be the lower jaw. This could be the teeth.
All right.
This could be the upper jaw, and this could be the teeth.
Okay. I'm going to carry on drawing this one here, the one that you chose for me to draw. Okay, I'm going to put his back leg on now. And it's a big leg, right? Because it's like his strongest leg. What do his little front legs do? Not a whole lot.
Actually, he's front. Andy's like. The T-Rex hand. The T-Rex has his hands, but he doesn't pick up anything with his hands.
Oh, so they're hands, they're not feet. Is that right?
Yeah.
There's one leg.
Yes.
Now, you see, my feet kind of run off the page here, so that's okay. That's just where they're going to end. My toes, I mean. I mean his toes, or her toes. How can
it's a her.
Is it a her?
Yeah.
How can you tell a her T-Rex from a him T-Rex? Or...
Let me tell you something. I think you know it's a girl because the color of the T-Rex is pink, and I think you know it's a boy because the color is green.
Oh, okay. So this is a boy because it's green?
No, it's a girl because it's pink. I'm gonna draw a green one. Well, you.
I'm gonna draw a pink one. Am I? I'm gonna draw the girl. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I have her other legs kind of going like this. And her toes again are off the page. Now I have to put her little arms on here. I'm going to put one little arm, which is back here, and it just comes out. And we don't see all her is it claws or fingers or toes, Jackson?
Claws.
Claws.
And there's only 2.
Oh, are there only 2?
Yeah.
Get out! I didn't know that. I thought they had 3.
All the T-Rex species had 2, except for only one had 3.
Oh, which species was that? Do they have a special name?
Nope. They don't have a name. They're just called Tyrannosaurus.
Oh, okay. Now, I'm going over my pencil lines here. I will have to do some erasing, or maybe my crayon will just cover it up. But, wow, she's got muscular little arms, and then just 2 fingers on the other hand as well.
And this is how I'm going to do it. One here, one there.
All right. Well, that's just adorable, I must say. Okay, I think I'm going to put, nostrils. Now that my head I got a general shape, I'm going to give it more definition. So you see those eyes and the eyebrows, they're up like this, aren't they? So they go like...
And I'm going to do the eyebrows like this.
And my eye goes like this.
I want these eyebrows like mad. Look.
Oh, nice. Yeah, the eyebrows go down to make it look angry, right?
Yes. And you know what I want to also draw?
What?
A little child.
But you know I'm not going to put a child in the mouth of the T-Rex,
Yes.
right? Okay. Unless it's
This one.
Jackson.
Yes.
Now, I'm putting these little, they look like little beads. Kind of looks pretty on the T-Rex.
Look, there's a guy running away from the T-Rex.
Oh my goodness, he's going to make it, is he?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to erase part of my oval here so I can get the mouth in here.
And here's his curly hair.
Mm-hmm.
Look, he's running.
Oh, he looks happy. He's got a smile on his face. Okay, here comes my T-Rex mouth. Oh my gosh, it's so menacing looking.
Here comes my T-Rex tongue. Sticking out.
Oh, he's got a big, powerful jaw, doesn't he, this T-Rex guy? Girl.
Yes.
Do you think she's scary looking if she's pink?
Yes.
But let's see. Oh, I'm going to start adding
I
some
draw
teeth
some
now.
grass. I drew some grass here.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to draw some palm trees.
I'm putting teeth on now. I wonder if all the other animals in the forest would say, "Ah, there's a T-Rex coming. Oh, it's pink. It's the girl T-Rex. She's friendly."
Yeah. No, she's not. Instead, in the prehistoric age of dinosaurs, when T-Rex was around, the T-Rex was the last dinosaur, and it survived the extinction and turned into chickens and ducks.
Did it?
Yes, and
I didn't know that.
and in the past, instead of the T-Rex being nice and saying hello, instead it roared and ate plant eaters.
Oh my goodness. Hey, you know what? I just noticed the T-Rex has these like square check marks on its belly, and you know what that reminds me of?
What?
A turtle.
Yes, that reminds me of a turtle too.
Which is a reptile.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
And are dinosaurs just like prehistoric reptiles? So they're
Yeah.
all part of the same family.
Yes, they're part of the bird, the kangaroo, the crocodile, alligator, and a frog. All the other reptiles families.
Mm-hmm.
The kangaroo family and all the other reptile families are the T-Rex.
Oh my goodness. No, you
And
know
all the other
so
dinosaurs.
much about T-Rexes. And oh, look at his leg. Or her leg. It looks like she's got, like, I don't know, bubbles, chicken pox. What's all that about?
Imagination.
Ah,
I'm gonna do it like you.
I don't know what these bubbles are, but they're kind of cute. You think they would be pink on a She-Rexosaurus?
No, it's called a T-Rex.
But if it's pink and it's a girl, maybe it's a She-Rex.
No, it's not a She-Rex. Instead, you can name it a girl T-Rex. Say girl T-Rex.
Girl T-Rex.
That's good.
Thank you. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles everywhere. Did she just get out of the tub or something?
No.
What in the world?
no tubs in the age of dinosaurs.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Well, maybe they were natural springs.
Yeah, they were natural springs.
Did they have bubbles?
Nope.
Well, that's why the T-Rex brought their own.
I'm finished, and look.
Oh, I love it. Beautiful. You know what I'd like to do now, Jackson?
Yeah.
I want to outline it with a Sharpie before I color it with crayon. Do you want to do that with yours?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
I'm going to go like this, and I'm just going to go along the outside of everything with the Sharpie. T-Rex has such a big mouth. How many animals do you think he could put in his mouth at once?
About 4 or 3.
Wow. You put that many slices of pizza in your mouth at once?
No, can only put 1. T-Rexes hunt plant eaters, and they also hunt other T-Rexes.
So much. I did not know that.
That's because I watched the movie Jurassic Park.
So how does a girl T-Rex know that when she gets close to a boy T-Rex, he's either going to say, "Hey baby, want to go out for dinner?" or "Hey baby, want to be my dinner?"
No, he doesn't. He roars instead.
Well,
They
how does she know he's not going to eat her?
Because they're a family, and the boy knows the girl is in his family, so he's not gonna be defensive to her.
Oh, okay. They're going to be a happy, loving family right away.
Yeah.
Oh. What color are you going to make your T-Rex?
Green.
Cool, eh? So I'm going to give you some different greens for yours. So is mine going to be pink and purple?
Yes. And mine are gonna be green and blue.
Okay. What? Carnotaurus?
Yes. It had horns on top of its head,
Oh.
and it was a meat eater, and it looked like a T-Rex.
Oh, it looked like a T-Rex. So Carnotaurus. And was that the only predator of the T-Rex?
Yes.
Okay. So if the She-Rex was bright pink, how could she hide from the Carnotaurus?
Carnotaurus was pink too, so they could blend in together.
You just have an answer for everything, don't you, mister? So did they sometimes make friends and say, "Hey, I like your pink," and the Carnotaurus would say, "Hey, I like your pink too. Want to hang out?"
Yes.
And then she'd go and hang out, and then
No, they would roar to say.
They roared. Right. Okay. So wanna hang out? Okay. And then they'd go and they'd hang out, and then the Carnotaurus would say, "Hey, I'm hungry."
Yes.
And eat the She-Rex.
Yeah.
Well, that does not have a happy ending.
It's a Carnotaurus.
Oh, wow, they do look a lot alike. Yeah.
You were right, I'd never heard of that one, Jack, either.
Okay, do you think I'm almost done here? Let's see. Get a little black in the tongue. Okay, I'm going to put some greens and stuff in the background just because it's a forest, right?